Welcome. This step-by-step guide will hopefully introduce you to WordPress, the program that your site has been created under and which you yourself will now be able to maintain your site with. If for any reason you need further assistance with this, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is at the end of this guide. Step 1. Logging into your site. In the address bar on top of your screen, type in your website address. After your website address, type /wp-admin. The WP admin after your address brings you to the site, which enables you to make changes and update your website. Enter your username and your password into the boxes provided. When your login details have been entered in successfully, you will arrive at a page which looks like this. This page is what is known as your dashboard. Step 2. Changing your password. On the left-hand side of this page, you will see a list of functions, such as posts, media, etc. Scroll down to the tab labelled Users and click on this. A drop-down menu will then appear. Click on the tab that says Your Profile. You will then be brought to your personal profile page. Scroll down to the very bottom of this page. There should be a title that says About Yourself. Under this, there should be a section that says New Password. Enter your new password in both boxes and then click on the Update Profile. We would strongly advise you to change your password as soon as you enter your site in order to ensure maximum security. Step 3. Making a post. In the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a tab labelled Posts. Click on this and another drop-down menu will appear. Click on Add New Post. In the large box on top of the screen is where the title of your post is entered. For example, if you are discussing a recent visit to the local GAA club, you would enter something like My Visit to the Local GAA Club. In the larger box underneath is where you will enter your actual content. For this purpose, we will simply use The GAA Club was very busy that day. On the right-hand side of the page, there is a section called Posting Tags. Tags allow documents and information to be faster and easier found by the people who are visiting your site. Adding between 2 and 5 tags is the normal amount for any post. In this instance, a tag that may be used for this post is local work. On the right-hand side of the page, there is a section called Posting Tags. Tags allow documents and information to be faster and easier found by the people visiting your site. Adding between 2 and 5 tags is the normal amount for any post. In this instance, a tag that may be used for this post is local work. Generally, the tags do not copy what has been said in the title. They refer more to the theme of the post itself. Under the tag section is another section labelled Category. For example, each category may be a different geographical area that you are working on, or it can be a particular issue that you speak about, like agriculture, health, or maybe education. Simply tick the correct categories box that your post relates to, and this post will be filed into this area on your website. In order to publish this post to your website, you must now click on the blue Publish button on the top right of your screen. Congratulations! Your first post has now gone live on your site. In order to see the changes that have been made, click on Visit Site at the very top left-hand corner of your page. The latest statement section is only where your most recent post will appear. All former posts will go into your statement section on your site. Step 4. Making your post more interesting. In the new post page, you will see that there are several buttons above the content box, all of which manage a different function. Some you may recognize from Microsoft Word, such as bold and italics, and others will be new to you. You will probably never use some of these options, but it is useful to know what is there and in what situations you might use some of them. For example, if we wish to make the word very bold, simply highlight the word and click on the B icon. The word has now become bold. If you want to quickly find out what each icon does, just hover your mouse over each icon and a short description will appear. An icon tool that you will use frequently is adding a hyperlink. To do this, highlight the word. In this case, we will use the GAA and we will link it to the GAA website. Click on hyperlink icon and a box will appear called Insert Link. In the place where it says Link URL, type in the website address. In this case, it's www.gaa.ie. The target box decides whether or not you want to link to the same window or a new one. In this case, we'll choose Link to New Window. Click on Insert and your hyperlink should appear. Step 5. Adding a post from an outside source. As you can see, content for a post can be shown in two different ways, visual and HTML. Visual is what will be shown on the site, and HTML is what is known as web language. Visual is used most frequently when writing a post for the site. However, in order to make things clearer and have the presentation better, when uploading content from an outside source, it's better to put the content into HTML first. Do this by copying the content from your source, clicking on the HTML button, and then pasting the content into the box. Once this is done, click back to the visual tag and alter as you wish, i.e. add hyperlinks, bullet points, and aligning left and right. Once again, don't forget to add your tags and categories before publishing. Step 6. Editing your posts. To edit a post, go to the toolbar on the left-hand side of the page and click on the posts. Once again, the drop-down menu will appear. Click on the Edit button. You will then be brought to a page that has a list of all the posts that have been added to your site. They will be listed according to date. In order to go back into an old post, simply click on the post title. If you want to delete a post for any reason, hover the mouse over the post's name. A list of options should appear under the post, such as Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. Click on Trash and your post will be deleted. Another way to delete a post, or a lot of posts at once, is to check the box beside the post's name. Then move to above all the posts where it says Bulk Actions, and from the drop-down menu, change this to Move to Trash. Then click the Apply button beside it. Your post should now be deleted. Editing your pages. Click on the Pages tab on the left-hand side of your page. Here you can edit your contact page if that information changes, and also your About page. Click on the page that you want, and you will see a page which will look nearly exactly the same as the post page. Simply edit the information that you want to change, or include in the same way as with a post page, and then click Update. For pages, that is about all that you need to know how to be able to do. Everything else should have been already done in the making of this site. Congratulations! You should now be able to carry out most of the functions that you will need to maintain your website. If for any reason you are unsure of anything or need help with something, please feel free to contact us here at Exsite Politics. Our email addresses are info@cllr.ie or info@exsite.ie. We can also be contacted by telephone at 1-800 94111. That's 1-800 94111. If you wish to access our main website, go to exsitepolitics.ie. Enjoy your new site.